ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। सो एक सबसे पहले बात करते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है क्या। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मैथ की वो ब्रांच है जो किसी भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एंड उस ट्राइंगल की साइड के रिलेशन से डील करती है। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री किसी भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल और उस राइट ट्राइंगल की साइड के बीच के रिलेशन से डील करती है। तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relation between angle and sides of right triangle। बात करते हैं राइट ट्राइंगल क्या होता है। राइट ट्राइंगल triangle which has one angle 90 degree is called right triangle। एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल जिसका एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो उसे हम राइट ट्राइंगल बोलते हैं। सो दिस इज अ ट्राइंगल A B C। This is A, this is B, and this is C. So here angle B is 90 degree. So this is a right triangle. In a right triangle there are three sides. The three sides are the side opposite to angle 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. If this is angle A, then side opposite to angle A, if I talk about with respect to angle A, will be perpendicular, and side adjacent to angle A will be base. In a right triangle, base and perpendicular can be interchanged with respect to angle, but hypotenuse always be constant. So there is a relation between all three sides of right triangle, and that relation is given by Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square will be equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here our hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is BC, and base is AB. So from here AC square will be equals to BC square plus AB square. Next topic, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो। तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो क्या है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो किसी भी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल की साइड का रेशियो है जो ट्राइंगल्स की साइड्स को ट्राइंगल्स के एंगल के साथ रिलेट करता है। सो व्हाट इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ratio is the ratio of the sides of right angle triangle which relates the side of triangle with angles. So in trigonometry, basically there are 6 trigonometric ratios. First is sine, second is cos, third is tan, fourth is cot, sec, and sixth is cosec. So now these are two right angle triangle ABC. Now this is a right angle triangle and this is also the same right triangle, but in this triangle I am taking theta as reference and in this I am taking C as reference. So in this triangle this is angle theta, so the side opposite to this angle theta will be perpendicular. And side adjacent to angle theta will be base and side opposite to 90-degree angle will be hypotenuse. Now in this triangle with respect to angle phi, the side opposite to angle phi will be perpendicular. So in this triangle this will be perpendicular and side opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse, and side adjacent to angle phi will be base. So here we can see the perpendicular and base can be interchanged. Perpendicular and base can be interchanged in a triangle, but hypotenuse always be same. So these are our trigonometric ratio. So we take trigonometric ratio of the angle. So if I take trigonometric ratio sine of angle theta, so that will be given by sine theta, and sine trigonometric ratio is will be equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cos of angle theta will be, so cos trigonometric ratio is given by base upon hypotenuse. Tan trigonometric ratio is given by perpendicular upon base. Cot is reciprocal of tan. It is given by base upon perpendicular. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So it is given by hypotenuse upon base, and cosec is given by 1 upon sin theta. Cosec is reciprocal of sin, so it is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. With respect to angle theta, the sine of angle theta will be equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So in this triangle, our perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So sine theta will be BC upon AC. Similarly, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So our base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So this will be equals to BC upon AC. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. So our base is AB. Base BC upon AB. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So our perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Now cot theta is base upon perpendicular. So our base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Now sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Our hypotenuse is AC and base is AB, and cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So our hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular is BC. So these are our 6 trigonometric ratio with respect to angle theta. Now with respect to angle phi, sine of angle phi, sine phi will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So with respect to phi, our perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, cos phi, cos is given by base upon hypotenuse. So in this triangle, our base is BC with respect to phi, and hypotenuse is AC. Now tan phi, tan is given by perpendicular upon base. With respect to angle phi, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. So tan phi will be AB upon BC. Similarly, cot phi will be base upon perpendicular. Base is BC and perpendicular is AB. Now sec phi will be hypotenuse upon base. So with respect to phi, hypotenuse is AC and base is BC. And at last, cosec phi will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So our hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular is AB. So these all are trigonometric ratio with respect to angle theta and phi. From trigonometric ratio, we concluded that cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, or we can say from here cot theta into tan theta will be equals to 1. Cross multiplying tan here, so tan theta into cot theta will be equals to 1. This is an relation. Similarly, we concluded that sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, or we can say cos is reciprocal of sec. So from here, sec theta into cos theta will be equals to 1. Also, cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So from here, cosec theta into sin theta will be equals to 1.